Hey, it's Mosh Bari. Welcome to this video, and today's video is very exciting because I am sharing a video of one of my favorite YouTubers. His name is Franklin Hatchett. I like his content. I like what he shares openly, freely, and I have something to share that is probably better than what he shared. Of course, his method works perfectly. I have been using this. I will show you live, but I think I use it in a more versatile way, more easier way, getting me better results faster. And if you watch this video completely, you will learn everything completely step by step. But if you don't watch the complete video, chances are you will get stuck somewhere, and that may lead you to failure. So why not watch this full video, which is completely free? You will learn everything and you can start today. You will not need experience. You will not need your own website, but I highly recommend you have a website. In case you already have one, you will be able to use it. If you don't have one, links in the description will take you to Maven. You can have Maven. Maven will snatch any content literally on the planet and turn other people's content into your website completely legally. Okay, so advertisement gone. Okay, Maven is my product. I'm always excited to talk about it. Let's move into the main content. Oh, by the way, in the description I shared another link that is a free software. It will help you drive viral traffic using PDFs. Okay, it's amazing. There is no other technology does the same. So it's free, go get it. Now let's talk about this video. Before we move forward, there is one thing I want to share about my story and literally every other successful entrepreneur's story. Everybody starts somewhere, and that somewhere is a ground zero. And then they work continuously, get smaller results at the beginning. They add up to become big numbers. Let me share my number. I will share two of my accounts. 1 year to date has generated $118,686 in affiliate commissions in 11 months. From another account, $63,430 has been generated. Now, when we add these two numbers and divide by 11, they become $16,556 per month on the average. Not bad at all. $16,000 a month in affiliate commissions, which means for these sales, I did not have to use my own website, my own customer support, my own product creation process. Literally, this can be made without a website and without experience and without technical knowledge. So if these numbers are good, if this video sounds interesting and something that you want to do, let's move forward. Okay, so in this video, Franklin shared that you can create free Facebook groups. For that, go to your Facebook newsfeed, and on the left hand side, go to the groups tab, and here you get a chance to create new group. If you're already part of other groups, you will see the groups here, and you'll see the engaging contents. That's important, right? So when you have a group and that group will have engaging contents, other people will see those contents here and they will engage. Now, I'll come back to it. Even when your group will grow, related people will get suggestions like this to join the group. And when they will join, this type of magic will happen. Do you see all these engagements? They came from my group. Look at this number of reach, number of engagement. This is all traffic. Now, I have already shared this screenshot with you, right? Have you noticed one particular number? Hops. 76,329 hops that made $118,000. In another account, 25,908 hops generated $53,000. These hops are traffic, and they came from all these different kinds of engagement. Did you like this video so far? Consider liking the video, subscribe to our channel, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will be the first one to get notified when we upload our next video. So how can you start today? Let me tell you how I started today. That will help you. When I started creating softwares, I needed real users and get their reviews, solve their problems according to their reviews, and build a foolproof software before the launch. And it should always be like that. Test first, feedback first, bug fixing first, solve all the problems of your software. Then when it is ready, launch it. That time I needed a group of people working together with my team and give their feedback, and we work back and forth. For these frequent communications, I looked at other people's groups and I saw people are engaging with the group members very easily and effectively. There are a lot of people, who run high-ticket coaching programs in their groups. I thought, why not I create a beta testers group? And that's where it all started. And then instead of going here and there creating multiple groups, I put all my contents into this group and drive all my customers, all my traffic to this group. So as you can see, I have only 17,000 members because not everyone wants to join a Facebook group or another Facebook group, and that's totally okay, because the people who love to join, they love to engage as well and end up buying more and more. Even if they don't buy, this is the beta testers group. They give me valuable feedbacks about my products that will help me solve my product problems and make them better and bigger. So what do I do and what you can do as well, and what Franklin did not share in his video, because this software creation beta testing is not actually his thing or his niche. So he does it in a different way. So what I do is, whenever I launch a new product or I sell a new product, and you will be selling too, or I build a list, get some signups to my mailing list, the first email will go with an instruction to the customer to come to a particular post in the group. Example, in Host Zpresso launch, I made this post and the customers get the email with 3 instructions that if you want an additional bonus, then join this group using this URL. And then in the second step, I mentioned this particular link. I tell them, come to this post, introduce yourself, and I will give you an upgrade bonus. And as you can see, a lot of people commented because a lot of people love to join. Whenever I create a new content, a new video, a new tutorial, a new anything that I found helpful for my customers and the group members, I come and post here. Yes, external links will generate less engagements because Facebook doesn't want users to go to any other websites, but still, when you share good content, then your members will push your content and your group higher in Facebook suggestions. And you will get more and more suggestions like this. You will build your group members and the size of your group, the engagements of your group with time. Now this is a continuous process. Rome wasn't built in a day. Nobody starts from thousands or hundreds or millions in numbers. Everyone starts from ground zero. And if you're starting today, well, start today. Create a group about something that you're passionate about. Even if it's about making money online, yes, okay, do it. Even if it's about how to cut your own hair, no problem, do it. From the group engagements and the joining rate, you will understand whether it is something you want to continue for a long time or not. If you don't want to continue, who cares? Create another group. It's free. Now let me share a bonus or an interesting point. The people who already engaged in this group are the hyper engaged people. They commented, right? Now sometimes what we do is if we want traffic immediately on something, we go on each comment and individually click reply and leave a message or leave a link, whatever we want to do. Now to you this might seem a lot of work, but for me, no, because I started from ground zero, and along the way when I built my business, I hired team members for the company. So I have team members who work in this group. They are here to take care of the members. For them, doing this using the mobile is extremely simple. Just hit reply, copy and paste, then submit. So this is how we manage. And we are getting a lot better results than a lot other people who run marketing campaigns through their Facebook groups. And you can start doing it too. Was this video helpful? I hope it was. This is making me and a lot other people making a lot of money, and you can start doing it too. And for that, you don't need a website, but in case you need a website and you don't have one, consider Maven. A link is in the description. By the way, if this video was helpful, if our channel is helpful, please like this video, hit subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will be the first one to get notified when we upload our next video. And we will see you in the next video.